ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kajingkmi lenti jong kaseng Congress ban job ye ke election shiteng samai. Hagani ka kenti Harajabala constituency kalalong penban Markhongpong hadin ba ukurtong ka National People's Party u Muhammad Abdul Saleh. Ula yokur haduk hat wai hajar praspa arpulai teli ki vote da ka penlim lendang ye ka kertong jong kaseng Congress ka Hasina Yasmin Mondal da shi hajar khandai spa arpun rew vote ka bala yokur khandai hajar praspa khandai pohunyo vote. Kat bau kertong jong ke United Democratic Party u Ashahel di Shira u balawan balai ulaya okur nyo hajar arspa sapu nyo vote u Kongston bi marakpan ya bala penyang deka Bharatiya Janata Party ulaya tang lai spa lai pulai vote u Karla Sangma u balami iban aireng kumu kertong shimen ulaya okur tang arspa san pusan vote kat bagi nong tap vote ki bala tap na u nota kilong shispa nyo pusaungan. U National President jong ke National People's Party u Konrad Kongkel Sangma haba keren skilat pathai khubor hatura. Ula ong baka jingjob jong Abdul Saleh menta ka kenti kadai ka jingkit kli jong ki pat ba nong tap vote namar baki yoi yaki kam baka sorkar kalale.
The main impact that has been there is the people have felt the development work. The grassroots people have realized that the difference that this NPP-led government has made at the grassroots level, and therefore the people's perception has been very positive about this government, and that's why so that's been the turning point. No matter how many campaigns and big meetings you have, it is ultimately the individual vote that matters, and only when you're able to touch the lives of the people and make a difference in their lives, then only they'll be able to, or they will vote. So therefore, this is a clear mandate that people have given. If you look across the three constituencies, it's a clear mandate for the government. If you look at the past history of Rajabala, since the NCP time, we have never won this seat. In the 2013 election, NPP got a mere 450 votes. In 2018, we got 4,800 votes. And this time, we had crossed 11,000 votes. So I don't term it as a close contest at all. It's a very, very I should say, a great response from the people. It shows the support and the pro-development work that this government is doing. And therefore, it's a clear mandate for the government. If you look at all the three seats and the results, in all the three seats, the MDA candidates have won. So it's a clear indication towards the work that the MDA government has been doing. But as you can see in this election, both the hill and the plain votes, we have been able to garner sufficient votes from both hill as well as the plain.
People, I will work for the Rajabala peoples. After 1.5 years only, you can ask me what I have done.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.